Are you also a business owner who is promoting the business with the help of Facebook lead ads and want to create the systematic record of all your leads data in one place automatically? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to auto-collect event leads from Facebook to Google Sheets. So I am an owner of an event planning business and I promote my events with the help of Facebook lead ads. Now whenever by the potential customers or clients a new lead has been generated, keeping the record manually in my Google Sheets is a very time consuming and a hectic process. So to automate this entire process without need of any coding and programming skills, I have created a connection using Pabbly Connect. So now how this automation works in real time, whenever by the potential customers or clients a new lead is going to be generated for my event business using Facebook lead ads, automatically the record of the leads details is going to be added in my Google Sheets in a new row. So now if you want to learn how you can build the connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect step by step, for that let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how you can auto-collect event leads from Facebook to Google Sheets. So as an owner of an event management business, I consistently promote my upcoming events through Facebook lead ads to attract interested participants. I use Facebook lead ads to capture potential attendees' information like their name, email, and the phone number whenever they show interest in my event. I use Google Sheets to neatly organize all the collected leads data in one place, making it easier for me and my team to access, filter, and take timely follow-ups. And I'm going to create this amazing connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. For that, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. After browsing the website, Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you, on which we have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I am an existing user, so for that I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the all Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, so I'm going to click on this Access Now button beneath it right here. As I've done that, you can see Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. And now to create a new automation, we have to create a new workflow. For that, click on this Create Workflow on the top right corner, okay? Over here, firstly, it is asking for the workflow name. For that, over here, I'm going to write it as... So this is the name of my workflow: auto collect event leads from Facebook to Google Sheets. Okay, so this is the name of my workflow. For the folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select the workflows folder and click on this create button right here. A workflow has been created in my Pabbly Connect account, and you can see that there are two windows in front of you. One is the trigger window, other is the action window. So what is trigger and action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process, because our process depends on these two principles. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means, what is action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first, in which for my trigger application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Facebook lead ads. As whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, I want the trigger over here should capture the response of that. That is why for my trigger application, I've selected it as Facebook lead ads. And for the trigger event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant. And then you can see it says connect. I'm going to click on this button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection. Then it says connect with Facebook lead ads. I'm going to click on this button right over here. This window is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for me to continue with this Facebook account. Yes, this is my account. I'm going to click on this continue button right over here and right here. And as I'm going to do that, automatically Facebook lead ads is going to be connected to my Pabbly Connect account. It was very easy for me to connect Facebook lead ads to Pabbly Connect, because on a new tab, I've already logged into my Facebook account right here, okay? And as you're going to log into your Facebook account on a new tab, it will be very easy for you to connect your Facebook lead ads to Pabbly Connect. Over here, firstly, it is asking for the page. I'm promoting my Facebook lead ads with the help of this page, that is Vibe Craft Planners. Okay. So for the page over here, I'm going to select this page that I've created in the name of Vibe Craft Planners. Okay. So this is the page. I'm going to select it. Then it is asking for me to select the lead gen form. For the lead ads form, I have created a lead ads form in the name of Facebook lead ads form. So for the lead gen form, I'm going to select it as Facebook lead ads form. I want the simple response in my trigger, so I'm going to toggle this button on of the simple response. If you want the advanced response, leave it off over here, okay? And then it says save and send test request. I'm going to click on this button right here. And it is going to say waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead with the help of Facebook lead ads. And after that, I'm going to check whether automatically the trigger over here captures the response of the new lead being generated or not. And now over here, how can we generate a test lead? With the help of Meta's lead ads testing tool. To open Meta's lead ads testing tool on a new tab, we have to search for Meta for developers. Okay, so I'm going to search for that right here and select it. You can see this is the Meta for Developers page. I'm going to select this website right here. Then the Meta for Developers page is going to appear in front of you. On this panel, you will find this option Resources, in which you will find Developer Tools. Select this from here. In Developer Tools, you are going to find the tool that is Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. Select this tool from here. And this is the Meta's lead ads testing tool, using which we are now going to generate a new lead. Okay. So firstly, it is asking for the page. For the page over here, I'm going to select the page that I've created in the name of Vibe Craft Planners, with the help of which I'm generating the leads for my business. And for the form, I'm going to select the form from the drop down, with the help of which the leads are going to be generated. And then I'm going to click on this preview form button right here. So this is the form right over here, with the help of which I'm generating the leads right here. It is asking for my lead's first name. So let's suppose for the first name, I'm going to write it as test. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as lead00. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as testlead002@pabblytudes.com. This is the email address. And for the phone number, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number right here. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to do the test submission. Thanks, you're all set. This means now the test lead is successfully generated. As now the test lead is generated successfully, now I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down right over here. You can see I'm going to wait for a few seconds. And within few seconds, the response of the test lead being generated has been captured in my trigger. First name test, last name lead00, email testlead002@pabblytudes.com. This is the mobile number with all the other details. So as now the new lead being generated response has been captured in my trigger, this means that Facebook lead ads is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. Now I want to add the leads data in my Google Sheets. For that, I'm going to set up my action step, in which from action application, I'm going to select it as Google Sheets. An action event is going to be add new row. And then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection. Then click on this sign in with Google button right over here. This window is going to then appear in front of you, which is asking for me to select an account that I want to connect to Pabbly Connect. This is the account. I'm going to select it. Then it is asking for the permission for the account. For that, I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this allow button right here. And as I've done that, Google Sheets is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. It is asking for me to select the spreadsheet first. So for the spreadsheet, I'm going to select it as leads details. So for the spreadsheet, I'm going to select this spreadsheet. I have created a single sheet in this spreadsheet right here. So for the sheet, I'm going to select it as sheet 1. It is asking for the first name, last name, email and the phone number of my lead. Now for the data of these fields, I'm going to map the data, which is inserting data from the previous step. So I'm going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. How it works is that as soon as I'm going to click on the field, the previous step, that is Facebook lead ads new lead instant, is going to appear in front of you. As I'm going to click on it, the response that is captured in our previous step is going to appear. It is asking for the first name and this is my lead's first name. name. So I'm going to select the data of my lead's first name from my previous response. As now I've selected the data from my previous response, this data is been mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Similarly, for the last name, I'm going to map the data of the last name. For the email, I'm going to map the data of the email. And for the phone number, I'm going to map the data of the phone number. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this Save and Send Test Request button. I have received a response which is a positive response. If I'm going to open my spreadsheet, and yes, you can see right over here, the response has been captured over here in my spreadsheet. The lead's first name is Test, last name is Lead00, email is testlead002@pablitudes.com, and this is the mobile number. Okay. So as now the record of the leads details has been created in my Google Sheets, this means that we have successfully built a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, now whenever by the potential customers or clients a new lead is going to be generated for my Facebook lead ads trigger, Facebook lead ads new lead instant is going to capture the response instantly. As the response of the lead is going to be captured in my trigger, automatically the record of the lead's details is going to be created in my Google Sheets using Google Sheets add new row step. And in this manner, I have built a connection between these two applications without need of any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect for my event business. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.